John Deere 4276D as in dog, non-turbo. Sold this to a John Deere dealer. His customer put hydraulic oil in the engine. It developed a tap. Dealer says it needs to be overhauled. We've checked it, it is not locked up. It's a really clean, good looking engine. Injection pump has been rebuilt at some point. I'm not saying it's a fresh rebuild, but you can see it doesn't match the engine. Looks good. There's a few small pieces missing. Turn lines on the fuel. So the blocks are normally always bad in these when we get cores because the balancer shafts spin. So we're going to sell this one as a buildable core.